All right, YouTubes. Heading up the coast, a little after work ride. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I think today's Tuesday. Yeah, changed out another Daikin evaporator coil. Fixed a little Hoshizaki 3-beep. This time the 3-beep on the Hoshizaki, the compressor relay failed and the wires coming off of it burned up. Alright, this will cause a code 3 beep. 3-beep alarm. Beep, 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 beep. Compressor, contactor. And then the wires burned up. Coming off the contactor. And the compressor doesn't run and you get a 3-beep. So the compressor didn't run, and that'll cause a 3-beeper. 3-beep specialer. It's no big deal. But I was wondering, what's everyone going to get into this spring and summer? Leave me a comment below. You got any plans for anything, or is everybody just hunkering in after the Rona and just trying to rebuild the coffers? I'm gonna try and work as much as I can this summer, but I'm gonna take some motorcycle runs for sure. Probably more stuff in state where I'm just camping and stuff. And I'm gonna try and wing. I'll try and wing if I got enough time. I can get enough vacation time. See if I can do a red-eye power burnout to Sturgis and back. I don't need to like hang out in Sturgis and party, but to ride out there, maybe ride through Yellowstone again, or ride up in through the Black Hills some more would be a lot of fun. So what else? Oh, I know what else I was thinking about. So at work, at the day job, they got us all vaccinated, so I got my second shot in last Thursday. And I pretty much skated on the side effects. I didn't get a headache. I didn't get sick. Although Saturday night, I had a little diarrhea Saturday night. I'm not gonna lie. And about the only side effect I could think of. What are your guys' thoughts? Are you gonna get vaccinated? Did you already have the virus, so you're like, I'm not gonna get a vaccine? Or like, heck yeah, let's all get her done. I really don't have an opinion either way. I'm on the fence. Everybody's a grown-up. They can make their own choice on what they want to do. But I was just curious what everyone's thinking about it. And then, as far as work goes, I'm still waiting for a couple of condensing units to show up, and I just bid another one. And my plan is I want to get all 3 condensing units lined up to where I could do like a series of 3 videos of condensing unit change outs. And I thought that would be kind of neat if I could pull that off.